Hello everyone, it's your boy JFX again, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the Pitaka caseless thin moonrise Pitaka case for the S24 Ultra. So let's get started. So we are going to go on and open our Pitaka case. You just go on and tap on the sides, and from the sides you will see something like this. So you go on and remove all these items, and we shall be able to get our Pitaka MagZ Case. We are going to do the review of this case. Remove this this paper. So this is our Pitaka case. It is a really nice casing. Here the feeling of the case itself. It is very nice. It is a really nice feeling. It is very smooth and rugged at the same time. Look at the feeling. This is a really nice casing. The material is very strong. It's very difficult to break. It has a MagZ inside, so you can use it on your MagZ charger. It is a really nice casing. So let us try and fix it up on our Galaxy S24 Ultra. So what you do, since we have our S Pen down here, let me first put it in. You put it in. So since it is the way it is here, you first need to drop the backs, the downside first, then you pop up the upper side, then it will click. Do you hear the click? It's a really nice. This is how the case looks like. It's a really nice feeling. The covering is very nice on the camera. It has a nice pop-up, as you can see. It has a really slight edge on the sides up here. It is very nice. Can protect the phone when it falls on the edges. As you can see, have a microphone, the speaker, and the S Pen. Up here we have the microphone. As you can see, it's really nice. Doesn't cover very well on the sides, but it's just nice. It has a luxury feeling. This case has a really nice luxury feeling. It's very beautiful, as you can see. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.